Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So now I know you haven't seen my face in a while, but welcome back. Thank you for sticking with me. And today I have a very special guest in my kitchen today. She's very dear to my heart. She's my mom's carbon copy. She's my mom's twin and sometimes my own twin as well. So I'm going to be introducing my aunt, and she's going to be cooking a delicious meal for us today. It's something that I've been craving for a while. So without further ado, let's get her into this kitchen and get started.
I just say why? Kitchen. Yeah.
Welcome.
I'm here to cook a delicious food for you today.
Okay, so what are you cooking for us?
We have Ofada here.
Yeah.
Ofada, my hometown food. The Ofada is there.
Yeah.
Then for the stew, I have my palm oil.
So we're going to be making Ofada stew today.
Yeah, Ofada stew with Ofada.
Okay, so we're not going to be making the ayamashi sauce.
No. The normal sauce.
It's the normal Ofada sauce that we're making.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to be making Ofada rice. To it. So that way we
then I can add plantain for you.
The experience. Yes.
There is plantain.
And we're adding plantain to it. It's gonna be.
Oh my lord.
Oh my god.
Yeah, in Canada.
Yes. Tell them.
See,
let them know.
To one.
Gang.
Hey, oh got you.
Okay. What else do we have?
Kponmo one B.
Yeah,
Shaki. Shaki one B.
Oh shit.
I just see boiling.
Yeah.
Amadasi.
You know there is no Ofada stew
without egg. Crayfish.
Okay, so what else do we have here that we're putting inside this delicious meal?
Yeah, we have our goat meat here.
Goat meat or what? So I think there's goat meat and cow tongue.
And cow tongue inside. Yeah. We have our salt.
Yeah.
This is our crayfish. Branded one.
Everything goes with crayfish. You have to put crayfish in there.
Yeah. See Maggi here.
Yes.
Yeah, I think then we have our
seasoning. And our meat stock.
Right here. So that everything can be.
Without further ado, we're going to get started and start cooking this delicious meal. All right, let's go.
Pepper. Add our iru now. Let's add some crayfish. This is our Abenero. So I will add it.
So right now our stew is cooking. And what's the next step on the agenda?
Let's go to the kitchen to put the Ofada
to wash the Ofada.
We wash the Ofada.
All right. So if you want to know how to wash Ofada rice to the point that it's clean, go back to one of my videos. I'm going to link it somewhere on this video so you can see how I wash my Ofada to clean it and just make sure the process is, because Ofada you do have to wash the rice for it to be clean. So yeah, we're going to wash the rice and then start cooking the rice as well. Let's go.
Now we are going to add our egg, our boiled egg. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ọ̀fadà tí o bá sè tí o bá lẹ́yìn inú kò complete. Yeah.
It's not complete though.
Yeah. Let me just add a little salt.
You guys, the Ofada sauce is ready. Now it's time to plate this and it's this delicious food. Oh my gosh, like just looking at it is making me salivate. I want to eat. Our food is served.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's obviously this is the best part.
Yes.
So me, I'm gonna first of all be the first person to taste.
Yes. So let me,
because I want to know if this is. It's authentic, yo. Wale. Authentic.
Yeah.
Yeah, authentic. I don't know what. I honestly don't know what my expectations were.
Yeah. If you know Itoko very well, if you go to Itoko, there is one Ofada area there. They call it Ofada, Iya Itoko Ofada. Just like this one. That woman is perfect. No. Whenever you go to Abeokuta, just tell them that you are going to Itoko. There is one Ofada there that you want to go and taste.
No, this is actually really good. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, go bad.
Mama, yeah. Anyways, we're going to, as you can see, go and dig into it. And I will definitely be seeing you guys on my next video. So if you have not subscribed, like, comment, go ahead and do that. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. And do you have anything else to say to me?
Nothing, no. I want to enjoy my food.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Bye.